Hey there, it's Josh Freeman, and today I'm going to do a quick review of these Kurdene Bluetooth wireless headphones. So as you can see, these headphones are super small and compact. You have the micro USB charger right here, and this is the cord that it came with. And let's do a quick walk around of everything that came inside the box. So these are the headphones, and then you also get the case here, and then you have a user's manual and a 1-year free warranty. You have 5 additional silicone tips because there are a size medium already on the headphones, and you have all the way from small to large, so you get a really nice customizable fit. And from there, you have the Bluetooth 5.0 one-step pairing, which is truly one-touch button to connect these headphones, and then you have all the way up to 50 foot of a no-obstacle range. These are IPX8 waterproof. That means you can stick them in up to 1 meter of water for up to 30 minutes. So these are rugged, right? You can sweat, shine, rain, doesn't matter, they're gonna work. They have superior sound quality. They have a 6mm dynamic driver. I listen to rap and I listen to podcasts primarily. I was extremely happy with the sound quality. I had no problems with that at all. They also have easy touch control. So basically what you do is you just double tap on the headphones themselves, and this is going to enable you to pause, play, skip tracks, previous tracks, answer calls, and hang up calls. On the user's manual, it'll break down which touches do each. Sometimes